Hey everyone, in today's video I want to talk about vscodium, why you might want to use vscodium instead of Visual Studio. Because the main thing that I like vscodium is because of the telemetry. So it refers to the data that the Visual Studio Code collects about its usage and performance. And the data is sent to Microsoft to help them understand how people are using their software and identify the areas for improvement. So main thing is if you don't want to be spied on, so you might want to go with vscodium. So this is the main reason I like vscodium instead of Visual Studio Code. So there are ways that you can opt out in VS Code. However, there are there are extensions that other things that still collect and spy. So if you don't want to be worried about going through each settings, however, there are some issues with the VS Codium. So according to the VS Code Marketplace term of use, you may only install and use the Marketplace offering with Visual Studio products and services. So for this reason, VS Codium uses this open VSX extension. So this is where you can get the extensions instead of the Marketplace. So if you want to support the truly open source that do not spy on you, then you might want to go with the VS Codium, and you can install. For Windows, you can use Choco, Scoop, even Winget. I think, yeah, here's a Winget. And Mac, just use brew install for Mac, and they support most of the major Linux distributions. So it's widely supported and loved by the open source community. And I'll put the links in the description, so if you wanna give it a try. Alright, I guess that's it.